Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
I'd be a gypsy if I had the time, sending my tones. I'm in Caulker. I finally feel relaxed. This is like gonna be the beach bum part of my holiday. I'm so excited to be here. I've wanted to come here for the longest time, and the snorkeling and the abundance of marine life, I'm so excited. So tomorrow I'm gonna do a tour to some key points, Stingray Alley, I'm gonna see Manatees hopefully, and go to Whole Town, which is the marine reserve here, which is a UNESCO site, and it's abundant with marine wildlife. I can't wait. Exploring the land, I'd be a gypsy, and there'd be no plans. Never any time. Moroccan deserts, Arabian suns, the stars in the sky and the shells of the sea would be mine. 'Cause I'd be a gypsy if I had the time. Chinese food here has been really good. Gypsy, if I had the time, endlessly searching. Taking the old catamaran out today and doing some snorkeling on the Belizean barrier reef. I'm very excited. Fingers crossed I see a manatee. I haven't seen one yesterday or the day before, so hopefully. Shit, I just paid $10 for a nice coffee. I hope it's a good one. It's a good one. I've been craving this. Wow, that's a good one. The tarpons are now protected in Belize after being overfished for years. They're starting to come back. Their fossil records date back before the T-Rex. They've got sandpaper-like teeth, can live up to 100 years. They get 8 to 8 feet big and weigh up to 150 kilos. So they're pretty big fish. They can also swim in salt water and fresh water. Subconsciously come to the top. They're closely related to elephants as well, and their nickname is sea cows of the ocean. Very cool. With the sharks, Stingray Alley. Cheers! We're up to the rum punch stage of the trip, so cheers! really great tour. I highly recommend the snorkeling tour from Caye in Belize. I went with Regga's tours. It was a 10 till 4 tour for $90 US, and we made 4 stops, including the Manatees, because we saw them, but if you don't see the Manatees, it would be 3 stops. But yeah, very cool. And Shark Ray Alley, so many sharks. I knew we were going to see the Manatees, and we fucking did. We saw 2 of them, and I was the first one to jump in the water, and so it was staring at me for ages, and it was just beautiful and graceful, and they're quite big. I mean, it was probably like 2 meters long. They would have weighed a ton. Right now, all the stingrays come to the beach and they have a little feeding session, and you have your feet in the beach and they just swim over you, and there's like dozens of them, so we'll see if I scream. Oh shit! It's enormous! Oh my god! It's gonna eat my foot! Wow. Oh, they're quite rough. Oh my god, wow. I'm holding a dead fish. I'm holding a dead fish, Jesus Christ. So they don't have actual teeth, they have like molars, they're very flat, and they kind of just absorb it. Okay, maybe I do have tasty feet. Local cuisine. It's a breakfast item, and it's like in a tortilla. They deep fry it and they put whatever topping you want in there. Beans, chicken, eggs, pumpkin and spinach I've seen some, but yeah, mostly beans, eggs, ham. And yeah, it's a breakfast thing. So I'm here at Errolyn's, and it's quite a popular hot spot, open in the morning, closes at 11. So get here early. As you can see, it's very busy. These are really, really good, fried to perfection. Like, they're not greasy at all. They're just like goddamn delicious. Fish are an invasive species here. They've travelled down from Florida and are killing all their juvenile fish. So I just saw a sign saying, "Save the reef, 1 lionfish at a time." Such a shame, because they're such a beautiful fish, and I thought they were endangered, but here they're a pet, so you can get grilled lionfish and stuffed lionfish and all these different lionfish dishes because they're trying to kill them all. Crazy.